Sometimes all you need is some good strong juice and put it with the food. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video for y'all. In this video I'm gonna be making this healthy pumpkin punch. All right, stay right there. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so very much for watching. Like I said, we're gonna make some pumpkin punch. So now the first thing we have to do is boil our pumpkin. Get that pumpkin nice and soft. I did not peel it because the skin is very good also, and it's on the healthy side. Then we're gonna put this in our blender. The same water that you use to boil the pumpkin, do not throw it away. Use that same water to blend your pumpkin. All right, do not add any water. Use the same water that you use, that same leftover water. Now for this part, as you can see, I left some of the pureed pumpkin in the bottom of the blender, and I'm going in with 1 Guinness. You can substitute that with Dragon, and I'm also going to go in with 1 Malta. Now if you have 2 Malta at your disposal, definitely go ahead and use it. If you have Dragon, it's the same thing. Then we're going to go in with some spice. We're going to use some cinnamon, some nutmeg. I'm going to also go in with vanilla and almond essence. Now I'm going to go in with saponin. I'm not going to add it to the blender because I don't want it to float over, because it's looking like it's going to float over. You can definitely substitute saponin with Ensure or a Boost. Remember, we are making nice, rich pumpkin punch, okay? Strong body juice. Now I'm going to blend all this lovies together. Ladies, this is not only a men drink, but it's also for us as women, because we lost strength and energy every single month. We all know why. Now, what's a punch without the good old Rain Nephew white rum? Now, for this part, you can completely omit that, but I love white rum in my pumpkin punch, or any punch as a matter of fact. Now, I'm going to go in with some milk and make sure that I sweeten. Don't forget your pinch of salt. Sweeten this, blend this up nice together. Once I'm finished with the blending and sweetening in the blender, I'm finished with that, I am going to add everything together in 1 jug or jar, and then I am going to stir and still check my consistency. I recommend checking your consistency because you do not want something that is thick for a drink. You want it to be nice and smooth, but on the lighter side where it's more drinkable. All right, so as you can see, I always mix and I check my consistency. If your consistency is thick, you can go in and use another Dragon or Guinness or something to lighten it a little bit. Now there we have it, y'all. This is my pumpkin punch from my kitchen, straight on your table. All right, y'all. I might sound tired a little bit because I'm walking while I'm doing voiceover. But anyways, get yourself some ice. Pour yourself a nice glass of this pumpkin punch, as usual, from my kitchen, straight on your table. I hope you guys try this at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't be afraid to comment down below and enjoy this drink.